Hi everybody, welcome to Minded EduServe, and this is our front signage showing our logo of the discussed tour who is focused, determined and persistent in his efforts. Let's connect. We come this way, this is our notice board where all information pertaining to our spaces, our services is put up. Our do's and don'ts, all the pictures showing our successes, triumphs, victories. And now we welcome you to room Bharadwaj. This is room Bharadwaj. So what do we have here? We have a plug and play co-working facility. This is meant for people who cannot afford to have an office, who cannot afford to pay a monthly rent, but who can pay by the hour, pay by the half day, pay by the full day, and also use the facilities as and when. These are some of the testimonials from our clients to whom we have given some high quality services. So what does room Bharadwaj consist of? Room Bharadwaj consists of 8 co-working pods, each of them having space to sit, work, negotiate, compute, work out, draft, write content. You can do all your activities out here. We got one computer out here which is taken care of by us. We have also got a lot of other facilities. Let me explain them to you. First of all, we have a place for keeping laptops, pen drives, tabs in a locker custody. 2, we have got a place for printing, xeroxing, scanning all your documents. Give them to us, we'll take care of it. We have air conditioning all the time. Our air conditioning is all catered to through AMCs. We also have an attached washroom. We have an attached Wi-Fi. And we got a whiteboard out here which you can use to demonstrate anything for your clients. So the entire place is given security through CCTV. We scan the footage every day. In case of any incidents, we are prepared to use this footage for necessary action. How do you like room Bharadwaj? Come and talk to us. Rates start as low as ₹100 per hour. If you want to work in peace, if you want to build your work, come work at Bharadwaj. Leave the rest to us. Thank you and have a great day ahead.